Hi, welcome to a crash course in policy debate. My name's Ben, and in this series, I'm going to be going over the basics of policy debate, as well as some exercises you can do on your own to gain proficiency. Now, what is debate? It's the basic deliberation between two teams on a very important, often polarizing topic. Now, debate tackles some of the world's greatest issues. How does it do that? Every year, we vote and decide on a topic of interest for the entire country to debate for the entire academic year. Every year, debaters create cases to solve for each resolution. Every case is unique in the sense that it tackles the resolution in a different way. For example, one year, the resolution was that the United States federal government had to substantially reduce arms sales. Now, selling foreign arms is a very broad topic. And you might think, well, that either means we can stop or we don't stop. Very cut and dry. No. We could stop selling arms specifically to Saudi Arabia, or, we could stop selling to Taiwan. And either way, it's a different case. These cases are used to show why either the affirmative or the negative has more merit in their argument. These arguments are presented with a lot of evidence, a plan, sometimes a counterplan on the negative, and then deliberated for about an hour. And in this way, we're able to find some sort of solution or answer to the resolution through each debate. I look forward to discussing a variety of topics with you over the remainder of this series, including flowing and the different speeches that we have. We'll also go over formalities of debate and other things like that. Later on, we'll cover different ways that you can defeat arguments or defeat evidence. I look forward to talking with you in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching.